this here box is going to take your photograph. Everyone ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm so pleased to have the pleasure of meeting you. I've heard so much about your journey. You are a brave woman, and you are.
Anybody want to hear? Sorry how I got to be free.
Well, it's time for me to stop preparing supper. Wait a minute, Bertie, I'll help you.
Wait a minute. How you gonna help me?
I'll help you with it.
You blind. You can't even see it. The boy, you can't even touch it.
I'm just gonna be this thing.
Nobody can hear your story.
You know what? Where you think you going? Am I married yet? Sometimes I feel like a bird in the
You are not worth the 6 pence I paid you for. Now get back to work.
Sir?
Auntie.
No. I was be fine right here.
You must be fine right here because you're free and carefree. You was not worried about nothing. You was not even bothered for a job. I work hard to perform, Table John, while you sit back and do nothing. While you smile at me because I wear the same clothes. Oh, you work hard too hard to be a slave. You know why? That's because I want to be free. Don't you want me to be free too?
Open up. Open up!
I hear it become quite the worker, Harriet. Someone told me you can even drag a boat loaded with rocks down the river.
Answer the man, he's talking to you.
Lord, if you ain't gonna never change Master's heart, kill him, Lord.
Sarah, that's the evil thing.
I'm still praying. Meet me in the morning. On Monday morning. Where the beat go? What y'all looking? I can see.
They take everything I hate.
You gotta be careful.
they put me in a wooden cart, and I was claustrophobic, and they had me up in a wooden cart. I don't like being blocked in, you know. Harry don't like being put down.
I've never seen a train that go on the ground before. Can I see it?
Lord, Lee,
Huh?
you say you want to see a train to go underground?
Yes.
You want to see what it look like?
Yes.
I'm the train, Lee. Take a look at it.
Get on your knees, Pepper. Get on your knees, John.
My husband.
I'ma shoot my no good, lazy, selfish, who only cares for his own freedom husband. Right here. Oh, stubborn, huh? How's it stubborn?
That baby kept crying and crying. So I gave the little baby sedative. Just a little bit. Yeah.
What?
Child, I gave that baby some opium money. Ooh, I wish I had some right now. This is when I knew the weakest would try to turn around. It was always a weak link in the bunch. Always the biggest ones, too. Always said, the bigger they are, the easier they fall.
You don't turn around now, your feet won't be on me now, busted. You go home or you die, Jim.
I heard you breathing the whole time I told my story. I don't run that old railroad no more, so y'all got to get out my property. Oh, it's my summertime. I gotta go to the outhouse now. My train don't even